This 12th Annual Rice Awards moment is brought to you by the Georgia Injury Attorneys, the People's Champ.
There is no wealth without health. And we often take our health for granted, and sometimes we take for granted those great individuals that are on the front lines and they don't get any awards. And we saw that crystallize in the pandemic. Healthcare workers working tirelessly and without thanks, but just through grace and a calling to help others through something that we have never experienced, at least not in my lifetime. There were so many deserving people. We had a very hard time deciding, who the winner would be. Everyone is really deserving. So if you would cue the nominees.
The nominees for Health and Wellness are Dr. Angelina Postev, Z. Wade Marshall, Faith Broussard-Cade, Janelle L. Salazar, Dr. Sakura Lambert, Dr. Whitaker and Dr. Sexton, Atlanta Orthopedics.
2022 Health and Wellness Award goes to Atlanta Orthopedics.
Thank you so much to the Rice Awards for this honor. I would say the first and last person that I would thank would be my wife, Dr. Shanara Sexton, who without her love and support and patience, none of this would be possible. We started ATL Orthopedics this year really with a simple concept behind what we were trying to accomplish, and that idea is that African American patients do better with African American doctors. And we believe that there are no communities that should be left behind when it comes to access to health care. We're located in near the Camp Creek Marketplace in Princeton Lakes in the zip code of 30331, the second largest zip code in the city of Atlanta. In that zip code, there's one orthopedic office, which is ours. The community response that we've had has been overwhelming. We asked patients all the same question: how did you find us? How did you locate us? And they all say the same thing: we looked up orthopedic surgeon near me, and yours was the only that showed up. So there's a narrative that's going around in the city that at this time currently, that there are certain populations that don't deserve access to quality health care in their community, which we reject. We're currently the only minority certified orthopedic practice in the country, and in 18 months we'll be the largest orthopedic practice African American owned in the nation. So thank you for the award. Our work is just beginning, and we look forward to seeing you all in the future. Thank you.
Congratulations to Dr. Alonzo Sexton and Dr. Garrison Whitaker, owners of the ATL Orthopedics, winners of the John C. Lipman Health and Wellness Award at the 12th Annual Rice Awards. The Rice Awards Board of Directors salutes Dr. Sexton and Dr. Whitaker, as well as all the other nominees and winners at this year's event. A special thanks to our sponsors, Georgia Injury Attorneys, Atlanta Fibroid Center, Nissan of Union City, Bridging the Gap Financial Services, Free at Last Bail Bonds, and Coca-Cola Bottling Company United. And don't forget to save the date for the 13th Annual Rice Awards on September 23rd, 2023, the fourth Saturday in September.